What are the historical reasons behind the conflict between the U.S. and Iran? Understanding this decades-long rivalry is crucial now, as both nations are back at war with no end in sight. The conflict dates back to 1953, when the CIA orchestrated a coup to remove Iran's democratically elected Prime Minister Mohammad Mossadegh. This intervention installed the Shah, a U.S.-backed monarch, which sparked deep resentment among Iranians against American interference. This resentment laid the groundwork for decades of hostility, culminating in the 1979 Iranian Revolution that overthrew the Shah and led to the establishment of the Islamic Republic, which views the U.S. as a hostile power. The 1979 hostage crisis, where 52 American diplomats and citizens were held captive for 444 days, marked a turning point in U.S.-Iran relations. This event entrenched mutual distrust and led to decades of sanctions and diplomatic isolation for Iran. It cemented Iran's image in the U.S. as a rogue state and hardened Iran's stance against American influence in the region. Following the hostage crisis and through the decades, the U.S. imposed extensive economic sanctions on Iran. These sanctions aimed to pressure Iran to halt its nuclear program and limit its regional influence in the Middle East. The sanctions have severely impacted Iran's economy and heightened tensions, especially as Iran views them as economic warfare that justifies its resistance to U.S. demands. The U.S. and Iran have also clashed through proxy conflicts across the Middle East. Iran supports militias and governments opposed to U.S. allies, while the U.S. backs rival factions. This indirect warfare fuels ongoing instability, making direct conflict more likely. Both powers see the region as a strategic battleground for influence, heightening the risk of escalation. Today's renewed conflict hinges on one main sticking point: Iran's nuclear ambitions. The U.S. demands strict limits and inspections, while Iran insists on its right to develop nuclear technology. This deadlock has reignited military confrontations and shattered diplomatic efforts, making the conflict appear endless without compromise. What this means for you is that the U.S.-Iran conflict is no quick fix. It affects global oil prices, international security, and could escalate into wider war. Staying informed helps you understand the risks and impacts on daily life. Subscribe now for updates as this critical story develops.